How much does it cost? Now, this is the bit that everybody's a little bit frightened of, and I get that, okay? Totally get that. So it depends is the answer, but let me run you through the main areas of cost for you to watch out for to make sure you've ticked them off. First is interest. The second cost is going to be your entry cost, so your admin fees or the entry cost, whatever they call it. Your third cost is going to be the exit cost. When you pay it off, they'll charge you a fee. Your fourth cost is going to be you're going to pay for their lawyers. Now, you do that anyway for mortgage companies, but this is where they can really stuff the bill. So make sure you understand what the cost will be. And your fifth cost is going to be they're going to charge you for the survey. Again, mortgage companies do that, so it's not unusual. But occasionally, bridging companies, their costs are just so much higher. And then there may be an auxiliary cost, and you may also have your cost of your IFA, or they may have that wrapped in the bridge. So you've got a number of costs on top of the interest rate to look out for, okay?